Good morning, students. I welcome you all in my grammar class. Today we are going to study about subject and predicate. But before knowing what is subject and predicate, we have to know what is sentence. And as we had already learned in our previous class, what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense, right? A sentence must have a subject and a verb. Now you have to understand what is subject and what is predicate. Subject means naming part and predicate means telling part. Naming part. What is naming part? Naming part is the person or thing that you are talking about. Like I am speaking. Who is speaking? I am Shivani Chaurasia speaking. So Shivani Chaurasia is subject. And what is Shivani doing? She is speaking. So speaking is predicate, right? Telling part. Telling part is predicate that tells what someone or something is or does. I'm moving to next slide. It will be very clear to all. You all can see on your screen a bee buzzed around me. You all can see a sentence is here. A bee buzzed around me. So now just tell me who is buzzing around me. Who buzzed around me? That is a bee, right? So bee is subject. But when someone asks when someone asks to you, who is buzzing around you? That is a bee. But what bee is doing? She buzzed around me. So buzzed around me is predicate. I'm moving to next slide. So look at the sentences below. The fishermen are catching fish. Next, I live in Mumbai. Lucy is playing piano. So just pay attention all three sentences. The fishermen are catching fish. Who is catching fish? Fisherman, exactly. The fisherman was catching fish. So fisherman is subject here. And what does he doing? He was catching fish. So are catching fish is a predicate. I live in Mumbai. Who is live in Mumbai? I. So I is subject, right? And where do I live? I live in Mumbai. So live in Mumbai is predicate. Lucy is playing piano. Who is playing piano? Lucy. So Lucy is subject, right? And what is Lucy doing? What is Lucy doing? She is playing piano. So is playing piano is predicate. I think that's clear to all of you. So just pay attention to the next slide. You have to again match this the proper subject to proper predicate, right? So the big green frog jumped across the log, right? Who jumped across the log? The big green frog. So big green frog is a subject, and what who jumped across the log? That is big green frog. And what does big green frog? What did big green frog do? He jumped across the log. So jump across the log is a predicate. My dog Lucy is subject and barks at stranger is predicate. Okay. Who barks at stranger? The dog Lucy. So Lucy is subject here. And what does she do? She barks at stranger. So barks at stranger is predicate. Similarly, my sweet grandmother wore a blue dress. My sweet grandmother is subject. Wore a blue dress is predicate. Most of the children like to read comics. Most of the children is subject. Like to read comics is predicate. Shivangi and James are playing to watch a movie. who are planning to watch a movie? Shivangi and James. So Shivangi and James are subject here, and what are they planning? They are planning to watch a movie. So are planning to watch a movie is predicate here. The water in this river is polluted. What is polluted? The water in this river. So, the water in this river is subject, is polluted is predicate. Moving to the next slide, you have to find out subject and predicate. You have to just mark rectangle whenever you see subject, and you have to underline on predicate. The first question is, Ash and Priya are going to the mall, and you have to find out what is subject and what is predicate in this sentence. So Ash and Priya, they both are subject, and what are they doing? They are going to the mall. So are going to the mall is predicate. Okay, someone's telephone is ringing in the store. Again you have to do the same. You have to find out subject and predicate. So someone's telephone is subject, is ringing in the store is predicate. Okay, the next one is, the bank robber wore a black stocking on his face. So who wore a black stocking on his face? That is bank robber. So bank robber is subject, and wore a black stocking on his face is predicate. The next sentence is, my cat had 3 kittens today. Who had 3 kittens today? Of course, my cat. So my cat is subject. Had 3 kittens today is predicate. Moving to next sentence, the blue birds love to eat peanuts. Who love to eat peanuts? Of course, the blue birds. So blue birds subject. And what did they love to eat? They love to eat peanuts. Love to eat peanuts is predicate. I think now it's easy to all of you to find out what is subject and predicate. Thank you for watching.